Yo, what's really good, guys? Welcome back. Let's do this back. Yeah, I mean, how you doing? I hope you're doing great. You have this 2007 Honda Pilot. Yeah, 2007 Honda Pilot, and I'm gonna show you how to refill the AC system with some FREON, aka AC, but the real name is FREON. That's what you put in the AC system so it blow cold air. You know what I'm saying? Alright, more or less. Before I jump into the action, you know I gotta say it and I'm gonna say it again. Alright. Please support the channel. Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Also, hit the bell button so every time I upload a new content, you're gonna be the first one to know it. Alright? Hit the like button, share this video, and the feedback put it in the comment box. Alright? Anything you want to say, any idea, any questions, just put it in the comment box for me. Alright? And as soon as I see it, I'm gonna reply. Oh, the other way you can support the channel is by leaving the tip on the table. You know what I'm saying? You're watching this video for free, so might as well, you know what I'm saying? But if you cannot do that, the way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad in this video or any other of my videos. Watch the whole ad, don't skip it. What is it, like a 5 seconds, 10 seconds? Don't skip it, watch it all. Watch the commercial, advertisement, advertise, propaganda, ad. I call it ad. So watch the entire thing, alright? And that's how you're gonna support the channel. Don't skip it, remember that, alright? Alright, more or less. I'm not gonna hold you up. Let's do this AC refill. This is for those that don't know how to open the hood. Alright, pop right here, just like that. The latch is gonna be right here in the middle, okay? You have the kickstand right here. It's gonna be laying down here, alright? That's where you put it to hold the hood. Alright. Then we look around, right? Look around and look for the AC ports, the lines. And as soon as you see something like this, that means you found it. That's one. And that's the other one right there with the blue cap. That one right there. Alright. So this is the low port because it tells you right there. The other way you can tell is because this is small, alright? L means low. Alright. And right here, this is the high port. Okay, just... They usually say like a H. I guess this is it. There's a H, right? Which means high port, alright? You see, smell, hopefully it's not leaking though. You see this air valve? It looked like the one you have in the tire, right? So the reason why I mentioned this is because there's like 3 ways you can extract whatever it is in the system, okay? Right now, well, before I was doing this, I started the car was running. I turned on the AC just to see how cold it was, and it's just a little bit cold. Alright, so that means it's just a tiny little bit of FREON in the system. Okay, so that means that if you squeeze that, if you press it down, the FREON is gonna pop out. Okay, it's gonna spray. Okay, but that's the illegal way though, because if you do that, you're gonna make a hole in the ozone, bro. So don't do that. Don't hurt the atmosphere, alright? That's why we have these machines. Or you can get a small machine, a Harbor Freight or Amazon. They're gonna do the same job as this, not the entire thing, just the extract the whatever it is in the system, like humidity, whatever FREON is left. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna extract that, and then you can refill it with those big cans that you see at your February auto parts store, the big cans with a gauge and a nozzle that connects to the port. Alright, gonna look like this. Okay, this is for the port, high port, and this is for the can. Okay, and this is gonna tell you how much is going in. Alright, this is for the small cans. Okay, the small cans doesn't come with this. Alright, but if you buy the big can is gonna come with this and with this. Alright, and that's how you can refill the AC system. Alright, just read the instructions in the back of the bottle or can, whatever you call it. Those bottles are like can, whatever you want to call it. They are between $50 and $100. So think about it. This thing over here at the at any shop is between the same price, 80 and 100. So think about it. All right. You want to do it right, or you want to do it by yourself. So next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab the hoses from the machine. Make sure the knob is all the way to the left. Okay. Turn it to the left. All right. This is smaller than this one. Okay. That's why it's low and high. So you're gonna grab the low and put it here. Pull it up. Okay, let it go. Now it's sitting there. Okay. Now tighten it. Turn the knob to the clockwise, like that, until it's tight. Okay. Make sure it's tight. No, it's good. Okay, that's good. Now I do the same with the high port. Make sure it's turned all the way to the left, counterclockwise. When you're gonna connect it to the port, pull it, set it, let it go. Okay. Kinda tight here though, but still gotta do it. What the? Okay, now setting, now turn it clockwise. So it's tight in there. Ooh, you hear that hissing sound? That means it is connected. Okay, that's good. That's good too. Turn on the machine. Okay, it tells you how much is in the low port. I'm gonna put it here just to put it there, right? Just to know that it was there. And the high port has 50. You don't need to do this, so I do it just so I know. Alright. Now this machine tells you how much it has. 3.3 pounds and 30 ounces. Now we're gonna recover whatever is in the system. Okay, recover. Equalizing pressure. That means that it's like it's checking if the hoses are connected right. Then clearing in progress. Press start to skip. Recover in progress. Recover. This is what it's taking from the car. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it there for 10 minutes. The needles are going down. Okay, you're supposed to do that. Okay, to 0. You gotta go to 0. Okay, so in the meanwhile, you gotta look. Where's the sticker for the AC? And it's right here. And right there it tells you recommended charge, max 26.5 ounces, the minimum is 24.7 ounces. Now we're gonna convert this to pounds because the machine took pounds. You know what I'm saying, convert 26.5 ounces to pounds.
26.5 ounces is equal to 1.65.
So that's what it is. All right. Now we're gonna put 1.65, all right, in the machine. That's what it's getting so far. Okay, it's already there, it's already there. It's doing good. No leaks so far. I'm gonna leave it there for another 5 minutes. Alright, so it's been some time. It's still the same thing. So we're just gonna stop it. Yep. Now, this is what we have in the machine right now. 3 pounds and a half. Right? Now what we're gonna do is charge. Press that button. Charge mode. Oil inject, yes. Equalizing pressure. Alright, just to make sure there's no leak before you waste some FREON in a system that is messed up. So the machine's gonna tell you. Then hold the inject oil for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Now stop to exit. Now it's gonna ask you how much. Remember it was 1.65. 1.65, right? Start. Now there's not enough in this machine, so we're gonna have to refill the. But we have a tank over here, so we're gonna open this. Open it, turn it to the left. We're gonna see the machine is connected to that, but that's like external source. You know what I'm saying? So it says insufficient fuel. What we're gonna do is refill the machine from that tank. Okay. We go to menu. Change. We look for tank refill. Now press yes. Refill in progress. We're gonna put a pound, alright? It's transferring now from the tank to the machine. Okay. We're gonna put a pound. Now when you get to a pound, we're just gonna stop it, okay? Fill pause. Okay, now we have 4.5 pounds. Now we're gonna go to charge. We did that already. We inject some oil already. We're gonna put again 1.65. Start. Now it looks like this machine is a little bit old, so I'm gonna put another pound in the machine. Okay, usually if the machine is new, you're not gonna deal with this. Okay, so I'm gonna put another pound, right, just to satisfy the machine. Pause. Alright. I'm gonna try that, just half a pound. Right? Now we'll see. Charge. No. 1.65. Let's see. There you go. Now it's working. Another start of charge. Now it's charging the system. Okay. Don't forget to close this since you're done refilling the machine. And that was it. That was fast. Nice. 100. Okay, that's fine. Now we just turn this off. No, just turn it off. We come here, turn this knob counterclockwise. Now we lift this. Okay. Forget to put the cap back. Oops, I get it later. Do the same here, turn it counterclockwise. Pull it up. Oh, yes, sir. Don't forget the cap. Gucci. Close your hood. Now we're gonna check the AC. Let's just start the car. Okay, it's running now. I'm gonna close the windows so I can feel the cold air. Turn this to the max. AC. That. Here. Max AC. Now it's blowing cold air. And if you step on the gas, it's gonna blow more colder air. Alright. That's pretty much it. This is how you refill the AC system with some FREON. Alright. Thank you for watching. Alright. I'm just gonna leave it right here. I hope you like this video. I hope you like it. Alright. Other than that, hey, I have to say it again. Alright. Support the channel. Alright. Do that for me since you're watching this video for free. Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Yeah, do that. Hit the bell button so every time I upload new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. Alright. And like the video, share this video, and the feedback. Anything you want to say, any questions, put it in the comment box. The other way you can support the channel is by leaving the tip on the table. Alright. If you cannot do that, then the other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. I call it ad. You can call it ad, commercial, propaganda, advertisement, advertise. Watch the what is it, like a 10 seconds? So watch all that, the entire thing. Don't skip it, and that's how you're gonna support the channel. Alright? Watch it all. And keep watching this video, you know what I'm saying? Or any of my other videos. Alright? So I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Alright, I'm out deep. Clocking out. Yeah. Hey.